And a machine fire Iyara my ref for Jamaica versus game. Roughest out here, hear me talk. No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica came here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're with Iyara. Yeah, man. Iyara machine gun fire with old school. Yeah, old, not old. Old school. Yes. Music video. Jump in the one and see where the GSN, man. Big up Iyara, man. Machine gun fire. Yeah, man. I am that. Yeah, let's go. Boss in a studio, I do it. Just like that.
I fuck from a girl with me last dollar. Party boy gun your mouth to no real mother. Live a life a straight boy we turn panna. Gun papa for them editor quizzing. Pussy to me cock.
Hold on, man. One Iyara. Machine gun fire. Old school ready.
I fuck from a girl
With me last dollar.
Party boy gun your mouth
To no real mother.
Live a life a straight boy we turn panna. Gun papa for them editor quizzing. Pussy.
Blah. Blood clot. Blood clot. I don't think you dance on me, so I swear. Alright, we brother.
I fuck from a girl with me
Last dollar. Party boy
gun your mouth
to no real mother.
Live a life a straight boy we turn panna. Gun papa for them editor quizzing.
Man say, boy, what I'm say? Boy return comma. You know, say comma no straight, you know. Him say live a life for straight. Boy return comma. You know, say comma kind of lean, comma kind of bend. You see me? I say, yo, batty boy, a gunshot. You get in the butt.
For life a straight boy we turn panna. Gun papa for them editor quizzing. Pussy to me cocky, me girl they make me happy. One leap a catty, mom, ride the rifle like a jockey. Chop off the hood if you push it in a porta potty. The killer said that I'm not joke a chatty. Origin.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Bad, yeah, bad. Machine gun fire. Again. Me rather.
I fuck from a girl with me last dollar. Party boy gun your
I'm out to no real mother.
Live a life a straight
Straight boy we turn comma.
Gun papa for them editor quizzing. Pussy to me cocky, me girl they make me happy. One leap a catty, mom, ride the rifle like a
In a bad mix.
Chop off the hood if you push it in a porta potty. The killer said that I'm not joke a chatty. Original bad boy, you never photocopy.
None.
Cause me gun them brawling that I make you dopey black rain falling when me take up a tall thing. Them a say dance all dead, but that a lie. Just some gatekeeper for move and make some real you get a blind.
Yeah, man, that's true, man. Them a say dance all that, but guess what? That's a lie. I do some gatekeeper if you get up, move out of the doorway. Move on the blood clot and leg gate, make some real you get a blind. That's how the GS writer so. Not me.
Them a say dance all dead, but that a lie. Just some gatekeeper for move and make some real you get a blind. Stay show start fuck up again, gun and up in the sky like when Super Cat run out in 9 suit and him tie. Dance all need a new ninja man without afraid of no guy. Another bunty killer when he say look into my eye.
Blood clot. Dance all need a new ninja man when afraid of no blood clot boy. Run up on any boy stage and clash that no. Killer. Them need you. Oh, see me here. Wagwan. Blood clot.
New ninja man without afraid of
Kind
no
of guy.
Another bunty killer when he say look into
In
my
my eye.
eye.
What?
Another beanie man, another shabba ranks, another cutty ranks, another merciless, the list goes on and on.
Yeah.
But the rest of them, we need a new Capleton. We just a bun the fire, bun
Need
the
a new
fire,
sizzler
bun the
too.
fire red. Dance all need another sizzler when
Yeah.
they walk up on the stage. Bob's the Grange in the shoe and if cock up our ears.
Yeah.
We need a
Yeah, you know, it's a sizzler don't give a fuck. Yeah, Bob's the Grains in the show and have to cock up our ears. Them type of artists that we need right now, some militants. New one them. Yeah, some fresh for them. Yeah.
sizzler when them walk up on the stage. Bob's the Grange in the shoe and if
Cock up our ears.
We need another Garnet, we need another Bob, a new Berry Sammons and a new Gargamel.
Bad.
Another Yellow Man for Zungu Zenga one part. And we need another Jimmy Cliff, more rivers, Defi Cross.
Yeah.
My mind no wanna tell me if shut up on me talk. Dance hall and no GP, but they full of prison craft.
Yeah.
Over the years, them I the girl.
Dance hall and a GP. And a general penitentiary, but guess what? It's full of a prison craft. Yeah, man, a mind games. A be a mind games I play right now on the dance hall.
Shut up when me talk. Dance hall and no GP, but
it's full of prison craft.
Over the years, them I the girl, them and I push up too much boy. We need another lady G, another lady sir.
Yeah, man, them I the girl, them and I push up be a boy. Move on the blood clot.
But this lyricist, prove it when you're ready to. Fuck up any stage, you never stop in nice studio. And me no sing one type of song, that a some rapper thing. 32 bar and never drunk, the killer still a drink. Over the years, them lock me out, why the fuck you think? First appear.
Yeah, the man said 32 bars and never drunk, the killer still a drink. Get it? Play up and word bars. 32 bars we a drink. No, that's what I talk about. No, I talk about the one where you see. But yo, I refer it back to when you yo, big up yourself. Big up. Bad, you bad.
Studio. And me no sing one type of song, that a some rapper thing. 32 bars and never drunk, the killer still a drink. Over the years, them lock me out, why the fuck you think? First appearance in a music, up in make a sting. But for real,
man said first appearance in a music, Dopey make us sting. One in the clash sting, remember? Put in the comment section if you remember one in clash sting.
Oh, why the fuck you think? First appearance in a music, Dopey make us sting. But for real, me full of link, and them know that for them fear. Yeah, yeah, me engineer, level make them hear. Light a split from bust a beer, the artists are kick a gear. Lyrics in a overdrive, the killer cool Alaska type. Them a feel like a mid dog, them now gonna have the other type. Fire spitting from the mouth, hot, they cannot out. Give them the place to run and look how easy them burn out.
Burn out!
Them a cuss when them turn out attacking. Artists them weak, one worm out, them laughing.
Yeah.
Every song sound the same, we are with the rastis. Dog gonna stop, make it look like Jamaican have no artist.
Yeah, man, stop making it look like we're not an artist, man. We have bad artists out there. We know since we get up and move out a bum buckler, we make some real artists fly in our place. Make some real artists kick in the door and bust through some window and fly in our place. Oh, I'm done now. Gatekeeper, get up and move in the blood clot. Iyara, big up yourself. That's like bad. Bad. Real old school. Yeah. And the band play homage to the real G them. Where they are same way. So, couple of them pass and gone same way, but him tell you say, yo, we need back that type of energy, the inner dancer. We need back. Some of them boy are burn out, but dog. Burn out. And get place for run and burn out. Not even a mile. You see me? Bad blood clot. Iyara, big up yourself, G. Big up a blood clot, safe. What you say? Let me know one thing God I want to do in the comment section. Iyara, click the outro there for me, please.
Yeah, Rust gave a review your face, the dog. If 𝐸𝐶 you fall.